Apple has confirmed that the iPhone 16 series will launch on September 9th, with 4 models: the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we already see some unboxing video iPhone 16 in many colors. iPhone 16 is shown in white, black, blue, green, and pink, which appear to be a lot more saturated than the muted colors on last year's iPhone 15. The pictures confirm the initial leak and the rumored action button on the side. This will be a mechanical button with a capacitive surface that mimics the soft shutter buttons found on cameras. The iPhone 16 Plus will offer the same 6.7-inch and iPhone 16 with its 6.1-inch screen size as its predecessor. All 4 iPhone 16 series phones are also expected to offer slimmer display bezels. iPhone 16 and 16 Plus gain the action button, which made its debut on the 15 Pro last year. The iPhone 16 series will adopt a new A-series A18 chip, which will be built on the 3nm node like the A17 Pro. With iOS 18 and some of the cutting-edge generative AI features could be limited to the iPhone 16 models. The MagSafe alignment magnets in the iPhone 16 models may be slimmer than before, cutting down on the size of the magnetic ring required for MagSafe compatible cases. The iPhone 16 is sport a 3,561 mAh iPhone 16 Plus with a 4,006 mAh battery. I hope you guys like and enjoy it. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.